Today we gonna talk about expanding your knowledge beyond initial training and licensing through continuous learning. Awesome, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Farah, your dedicated real estate business coach. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 12 tips to expand your knowledge beyond initial training and life. So buckle up. Now this information has transformed my life and many of my coaches and clients' real estate businesses and will turbocharge and change the trajectory of your real estate business too. Today I'm super excited to share you these concepts. Okay, why expanding your knowledge and beyond initial training and licensing is through continuous learning is important. Okay, and then how to expand your knowledge beyond initial training and licensing through continuous learning, and what are the 12 tips to expand your knowledge beyond initial training and licensing. You can implement the learning to turbocharge your real estate businesses, which will transform you into a true market expert and get ahead of the competition as a real estate professional agent. Before we begin, you make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to get notified of the new videos, so you never miss any of my empowering real estate business mentoring videos. Alright, let's dive right in. From now onwards, I want you to take a digital notes, open your one notepad in a new doc or a Google Doc in a Google Drive and keep taking digital notes. I will tell you what to do with this notes to get your gift worth ₹4,999 at the very end of this video. Okay, let's dive in. Why expanding your knowledge beyond initial training and licensing is important. Okay, this isn't just a matter of ticking boxes, it's a path to success. Let's explore why this journey is crucial for real estate agents in India. Why continuous learning matters. Market dynamics never stand still. Okay, the real estate market is like flowing river. It never stands still. Understanding the ever-changing market dynamics is paramount. Just as rivers evolves, the market landscape shifts. Okay, continuous learning equips you to navigate these changes effectively. Adaptation to new technologies. Today's real estate industry is intertwined with technology. From advanced CRM tools to digital marketing platforms, staying up to date is essential. Think of it using the latest GPS on your journey. It ensures you to take the most efficient route. Increase competitiveness in the real estate arena. Competition is fierce. Okay, clients have high expectations and competition is often a matter of who can give more value. Okay, continuous learning sets you apart. It's your toolkit for developing superior services. Building trust with clients. When you demonstrate your in-depth knowledge, clients trust you more. Trust is the foundation of the real estate transactions. Imagine you are the one they turn for reliable advices. It happens when you're always learning. Okay, professional growth. Then we have real estate isn't just a job, it's a profession. Okay, just like doctors and lawyers, they keep studying to stay relevant. Real estate agents need to do as well. Okay, continuous learning is a sign of commitment to your profession. Future proofing career. Okay, your career isn't static, it's a journey. Okay, continuous learning ensures your journey keeps progressing. It's about future proofing your career, ensuring you are ready for what the future holds. Expanding your network. Okay, learning isn't limited to textbooks, it's a social endeavor. It introduces you to like-minded and professionals, mentors and industry leaders. Your network grows along with your knowledge. Example of Ahmed, a real estate agent in India. He understood why of continuous learning in the constantly evolving Indian real estate market. He knew that to succeed, he had to embrace learning. This decision paved the path for his success. In essence, continuous learning is the compass guiding you through the dynamic Indian real estate landscape. And then let's move to why. It's all about achieving excellence in your career and delivering unmatched value to your clients. Now understand, let's how, okay, to expand the knowledge beyond initial training and licensing. Harness is the power of online classes, okay. Online courses gives you the flexibility to learn at your own space, just like Raj did when he decided to master property valuation. By enrolling in a comprehensive online classes, he deepened his understanding of property valuation methods. And then step 2 I have is get engaged in the market. Okay, trend analysis. Market trends are crucial in the real estate. Following market news and reports is essential. Raj shared how he kick-started his journey into market trends analysis, turning him into an expert in his field. And number 3 I have is learning from mentorship program. Seeking guidance from experienced mentors, you can accelerate your learnings. Okay, Raj narrates how he too benefited from the wisdom of seasoned mentor who helped him to navigate complex real estate deals. And then step 4 I have is join real estate association. Okay, networking within the real estate association is indispensable. Raj shares how he joined a local association and found it to be a gold mine of resources, from seminars to the expert speakers. And then number 5 I have a dive into real estate lecture, books, audiobooks, and podcast, and invaluable learnings too. Learn how Raj expanded his knowledge by devouring literature on real estate, turning himself into a well-informed agent. Alright, number 6 I have is participate in peer discussions. Okay, peer discussions offers a dynamic learning environment. Raj explains how interacting with colleagues, sharing experiences, and seeking advice become the pivotal in his career growth. These steps, as demonstrated by Raj, can transform your real estate journey. Through his story, you will discover how to stay at the forefront of the industry through continuous learning. Now, let me share the top 12 tips for expanding knowledge beyond initial training and licensing. Okay, let's dive into the most valuable tips on how to expand your knowledge beyond the initial training and licensing, using examples from a successful Indian real estate agent named Raj. Are you ready to elevate your skills? Let's get started then. Tip number 1, never stop learning. Now meet Raj. When he began his journey in real estate, he decided that learning should be a lifelong pursuit. Okay, his first step, simple yet powerful, never stop learning. Okay, then tip 2 I have is read industry books. Raj understood that knowledge is found in books. He started with industry classic like The Millionaire Real Estate Agent by Gary Keller. This book is considered a must read for a real estate professional. It offers a roadmap for building a successful real estate businesses and achieving financial successes. The Book of Yes. Yeah, the ultimate real estate agent conversation guide by the Kevin Ward. Kevin Ward provides a comprehensive guide on effective communication, teaching real estate agents how to master conversation with clients and prospects. Shift. How top real estate agents tackle tough time by Gary Keller. Okay, another gem from Gary Keller. This book is particularly valuable during market shifts. Okay, it offers strategies for adapting and thriving changing real estate conditions. 4 I have is Ninja Selling. Okay, subtle skills, big results by Larry Kendall. Larry Kendall introduced the concept of ninja selling, a sales approach focused on building relationships, creating value, and achieving long-term success in the real estate. And the number 5 I have is The Honest Real Estate Agent, a training guide for a successful first year and beyond as a real estate agent by Mario Genetpo, aimed at new agents. Okay, this book provides practical advice for success in the first year and beyond. Okay, including tips and on generating leads, building a client base, and establishing reputation. Okay, this book covers a range of essential topics from business development and communication skills to adapting to market changes and establishing strong foundation to be a successful real estate career. You can find many in Amazon.in. If you don't have patience reading that book, you can subscribe to their Audible and can listen. Okay, the entire book will be available in audio format. And then tip number 3 I have is attend workshop and seminars, but Raj didn't stop at books. He realized the importance of hands-on learning. Okay, he actively attended real estate workshops and seminars, connecting with the industry experts. If you haven't ever attended any webinar, then you must register to my next upcoming webinar, and the link will be shared in the below description box. And you must join our Flourish Realtors Club VIP membership. I will share the details about this at the end of this video. And then tip number 4 I have is online courses and webinars. In a digital age, online courses and webinars becomes Raj's go-to sources. Okay, he enhanced skills in property valuation, marketing and negotiations through these platforms. If you're not a part of my silver membership, then find the link in the below post and join my next webinar. I will share about my online courses in details, which will consist of courses, coaching, challenging, certification and community to help you build a thriving real estate businesses. If you had been following me so far, then you should have understood how in depth I have shared the knowledge that's not available in the internet. At least in my experience, this much of depth details videos won't be there. Tips 5 I have is join Real Estate Association. Being part of Real Estate Association was Raj's 5th tip. Okay, it's opened the doors to networking and latest industry insights. It's about learning from the best. If you're not a part of our Flourish Realtors Club, which is one of the fastest growing real estate association of like-minded real estate professionals, then you must consider joining the community to build, grow and scale your business much faster. And then tip 6 I have is find mentor. Raj also understood the power of mentorship. Okay, he found a seasoned real estate professional to guide him. A mentor can provide real world wisdom that training can't cover. As you know by now, I mentor and coach real estate professionals to build a thriving businesses to create wealth. As is shared earlier, if you are not a part of the community, then do join now. Okay, I will coach and mentor you every week to help you build a thriving real estate business. And then tips number 7, learn from each transaction. Okay, each real estate transaction can be your classroom. Raj meticulously reviewed his deals, learning from both success and challenges. And then tip 8 I have is explore niche markets. Raj expanded his knowledge by exploring niche market. He dived into a luxury prop, commercial real estate and even vacation homes, become an expert in each. Tip 9 podcast and industry news. Knowledge is on airways. Okay, Raj subscribe to the real estate podcast and regularly followed industry news and staying updated on the market trend. Tip 10 okay, invest in real estate tools. Okay, real estate tools are your best friends. Okay, Raj invested in market analytic for software, CRM systems and virtual tool technology, enhancing his productivity. I have shared these in my last videos. Okay, find the link in the below description box to check the I button in this video. And then tip number 11 I have is seek feedback. Don't shy away from feedback. Raj actively sought feedback from clients, colleagues and even his mentor. It is a shortcut to growth. Tip 12, teach others. As Raj expanded his knowledge, he realized that teaching reinforces learning. Okay, he started mentoring junior agents, solidifying his understanding of the industry. What am I doing now is teaching. Okay, I am building my real estate agent as well as my Realtors Academy along with Realtor Club. By following these 12 tips inspired by Raj, you too can expand your knowledge beyond initial training and license. Remember, in the real estate world, it's those who continually learn and adapt that truly thrive. Well, we have almost come to end of this video. These steps, when implemented together, will empower you as a top-notch real estate professional in India to become a true market expert and provide exceptional service to your clients. Do share it with your loved one and share it in the comment box. Alright, share your digital notes below for a few points here. If you really want to learn fast and learn with the community, then you must check out my VIP membership, as I have explained, to join my fastest growing real estate agents community that can transform your life and business along with the many other like-minded real estate experts. The VIP membership is worth 4,999 and is absolutely for you as you are here. It consists of courses, coaching and communities. So find the link in the below description and enroll yourself in the VIP membership to mastermind and network with the like-minded communities. Well, those were the 12 tips to apply for your real estate success and become a true market expert in real estate landscape. There are many that I have shared in my advanced level implementation and coaching. Remember, applying those tips will elevate your real estate businesses to new heights and benefit your clients immensely. So if you have found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow real estate agents in India. Hit on the bell icon to get notified of these new videos. Together, let's build a thriving real estate businesses and make a positive impact in the Indian real estate market. I'm here to support you on your journey to success. Let's build a thriving real estate businesses together. Until next time, take care and happy real estating. I am Farah, your real estate business coach.